This is the new Google TV launcher running on my Nvidia Shield. As you can see, it works fairly well. What I'm going to show you today though is how you can move items onto your app row which appears on the main For You page. All you need to do is scroll down, choose the Your Apps row and move right to the end where it says See All. When you're in there, you'll see the top two rows are highlighted, so anything that goes in the top two rows there will go on that app recommendation screen at the beginning. Long press on any of the icons, so if we move Twitch up here, and then when we come out of this screen by hitting back, you'll see that Twitch now shows next to Plex. If you don't want it there, you can long press on it again and click Move, and slide it along anywhere on that row. Simple.